This is the door hinge hole that we're going to be repairing. To repair this, we're going to be using a JB Weld epoxy putty. Remove the putty from the tube, break a piece off, and mold it into your hands, smushing it around so everything mixes correctly. Next, take that putty and push it into the crack or the holes around your door hinge. Once you have filled all the cracks and holes, allow your putty to dry. The last step is to sand everything smooth. Now you can attach your door. You simply will use the same hinges that you have installed, tighten everything up, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button, and if you have any questions or comments about anything that I shared with you, please post below. I'm here to help you guys out. And if you like this type of stuff and you want to see more from me, consider subscribing. Alright guys, till next time, I'll see you later.